This is the way we brush our teeth. We brush our teeth so early in the morning. Cats live anywhere, under the table, on the chair. Cats live anywhere. This is the way we comb our hair. We comb our hair so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our face. We wash our face so early in the morning.